Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what are the annual fees associated with Maybank credit card. As Maybank offers different types of credit card and the annual fees and the fees associated with them also differs. So to understand, you need to open up the portal where it's gonna show you the list of information regarding the credit card. So for now, I found one which is maybank2u.com.mymaybank.malaysia/personal banking. So here they've listed out the detailed information regarding the credit card and their fees. So you could go ahead and read about this in details as well. Difficulty understanding this protocol. Then what you can do is you could just open up a new tab and you could go to the credit card section where you could see a list of credit cards or the application page where you could find out the credit card. On that following page, you could go and read about in details. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.